If your inbox looks like this and your number of emails is out of control, well, Gmail has some cool tools that we can use to help sort our inbox and make sure that emails get a timely response. So we'll go to this settings, the gear icon in the top corner here, and then we'll go into configure inbox. And then first thing that we're going to add is promotions and updates. And so this is these still need to be checked on. We still need to read these because sometimes important emails go into these. But for the most part, it pulls away all of the ag content and updates the auto emails that come from all of our services. Anything automated order confirmations just get pulled into updates here. So once I save this, and now my inbox is down to something much more reasonable. And if I see any of my updates here, I can see all of the same notifications. Some folks also like the split pane view, so it's a little bit more reminiscent of how Outlook works. That option is enabled here. If you don't have the button that I just demonstrated, then you go into Settings, Advanced, and then you can enable that option here. A lot of cool things you can tinker with. I also like to tag my emails. Oftentimes, if a student is asking for a change to their grade, I'll tag it with the category to grade, so I know that there's a place that I can go to make sure I knock those out in a timely manner. And whenever you get an email that you want to tag like that, you can just check it, and then there's a label here, and so you can just click on which label is most appropriate, or you can create a new one as needed here. So that's just how I tag them, and then you can archive them out of your inbox, and you can always still get to them by selecting that label.